In this video, I show how I built this plywood track for my cordless circular saw. In this way, it operates much like a track saw. My first step is determining the distance from the blade to the edge of the saw to figure out the width for the base. And also, I only have one screw for a miter guide, which is why I need an edge guide as well. So first I'm going to rip out an 8-inch base piece out of the 3/4 inch plywood. Next I have to rip out the 2-inch edge guide, and I should say this is kind of arbitrary. I just picked 2 inches because that seemed thick enough where it would strengthen up everything and remain straight. But I also should point out that the 8-inch base includes space for the edge guide and the saw, and you can see here there's some extra space so I can flush cut the base when I'm done. Now for determining the screw hole distance here, so I can attach a miter bar to the saw. I'm just going to the table saw, and basically what I'm doing here is just dadoing the slot throughout the base, just with multiple passes on the table saw. I tried using some 2P10 CA glue to help hold the miter bar to the circular saw. In the end, this just broke free, so maybe it wasn't clean enough, but I suppose if you want a stronger hold with the miter bar and you're in this situation where you only have one screw slot, maybe just drill some extra screw holes through the base of your circular saw. Our last step is addressing the grip issue. As you can see here, it's very easy to slide around, because of course plywood on any surface slides easily. So I'm attaching sandpaper to the bottom. I'm using 100 grit and some generic spray adhesive. And now you might be wondering, hey, won't this scratch whatever I'm placing this on? Well, technically yes, but you're going to sand the project anyway before finish, and this is 100 grit, so any scratches this forms will immediately disappear.